In this video, we'll be seeing what's the use of handlers and why we should make use of handlers while we are dealing large number of amount of code that lies in when we are doing automation in Ansible. So I've written a playbook for it. Let's see how we can do with it. A name called as idempotent.yml. I'll be showing you the code. So we could see over here I will be running around the host or the IP which I have mentioned in my IP file. So the main task which lies over here, that we are creating a file in the destination, or we can consider as a remote host by name of uh, aditya.conf, which is state means touch. Touch is the way to create a file. If you are creating a directory, we can use state as a directory. So template is the one which will check what has been changed from the present point to the next changed point. So for the above file which we have created in destination folder, we have passing it as a destination, and source is the one which currently lies in this particular system. So here comes what's the handler and how it can be used. So one of the use case, we think about it like whenever we change something in the root configuration, let's say about server or a databases, only then the database should restart. Otherwise there is no use every time like restarting, as I've covered this part in earlier videos, like how to set up a web server from package service modules of Ansible. So there we used to restart the server every time whenever we used to run that playbook. So that's a very vague thing, and it's not a good way to handle our web servers. So this is a better way, like notifies a keyword, it will it only when there's something changed in our conf file. Once we have changed something in our conf file, the notify button will inform the handlers by its name called as a web start. Notify web start will inform the handlers by the name web start. Only then our service gets restarted, which we could see over here, the keyword which we have used, restarted. So it's an easy way we could understand that handlers are very much required, like which helps us to maintain resources very efficiently, not like restarting every time. This is one of the use case, but we can use this in various other places while we are creating automation. So once we could see it's restarted, then we could check whether the server is restarted or not. So once we'll see by we'll run this playbook by using Ansible playbook command. So we could see it's collecting facts and processing things which have been changed. So we could see over here our task, the template task has been not changed because we haven't changed anything on our conf file. So what's our conf file, we'll see over here. I've kept a conf file. We'll see the path to that conf file. cd root. So listen is a keyword in which port we need to start our web port. So right now we have given 8086 port. So we'll change the conf file into 8087 port. And now if we run the same playbook which we have written over here, now as of we could see the template module which have been changed to 8087 port will automatically trigger the handlers, and it will able to restart our web server. So only when we could satisfy our use case. So right now we could see over here nothing has been changed. As we know in Ansible, it's an idempotent in nature. So anything is changed only will come in orange color or yellow color we can consider. Otherwise it will be in green, because the present state and the desired state both are same, then it will pop up in a green color. Otherwise present state has been changed to desired state, at that particular point it will change into an yellow color. So we'll run this playbook again, but this time we could see different thing gonna happen. So it's clear that we could see the template module has been changed this time to a different color, means uh, our desired state has been achieved. And even we could see over here, last time it was not visible, so the handler has been popped up over here. So this could say that what's the use case of a handler. So we could also confirm this by, say, a web server. So this is a web server which was running in remote. We have taken a basic HTML page. This was the website which has been residing in the remote location. So that was all about handlers and how we can use it. Thank you.